Duets on TikTok allow you to collaborate with friends and strangers on the web, creating new jokes, reactions, and so much more. It's one of the most unique aspects of the app, but if you're new to TikTok, it can be tough to learn, especially if you don't know where to look. Here's how to duet on TikTok. Start off by finding a video you want to create a duet with. Once you've found the video, tap on the share icon to the right of your video, then select Duet from the list of options. If Duet is grayed out on this menu, the creator of the video you've selected has either disabled or restricted the feature for their video. If it's not grayed out, just tap on the icon and the app will load into the recording screen. From here, set up your layout, effects, and filters, then tap on the red record button to begin creating your video. As always, you can either record a single take or film in segments to create your clip. Any effects or filters added to your recording will only apply to your side of the video. You can't edit or change the original content. Once you're satisfied with your recorded video, tap on the checkmark by the bottom right to open the next editing screen. From here, you can add filters, effects, and transitions that apply to the entire video, including a voiceover. Once you're satisfied with your overall edit, tap on Next to include your caption, then tap on Post to share your new video. Your clip will be auto-tagged as a duet, and the video that you used will appear linked in the description. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.